morning. What's going on, Nick? How you doing today, brother? Amazing M&G, how you doing? You're stuck in traffic. Don't forget to double tap the screen. Give it a thumbs up. Yeah, respect, Nick. Respect, man. You're stuck in traffic in Macon, Georgia. Ugh. Team Happy, what's going on, Wilma? I'm doing great. I'm doing great, M&G. Hanging in there. Nick, what's going on, my brother? I will, Mr. M&G. I will. Uh, I'm stuck in our traffic, brother Nick. He said there's something going on up ahead. I don't know what. Nobody's talking on the CB. But it is what it is. Just have to be patient. Oh boy. Yep, coming out of Atlanta. I-75, there's always something on I-75. You on the road with the team, Nick? It's always something. Team Happy, welcome. Richard. No, actually, it's pretty nice outside. It's pretty nice over here. It's I would say it's about 65 degrees. Temperature's pretty good. Overcast, but it's pretty good. It was foggy. We're just coming out of the fog. Oh boy. Miss KK, what's going on, K? How you doing? Thanks for stopping by. Blessings to you and your family. Just here trying to get through in traffic. Team Happy, welcome guys. I appreciate you guys coming by. Daddy. Just another day on the job. Just another day. I've been stuck so far about a half hour now. I don't know. They said the whole highway was blocked off, but it's barely moving. So if it's moving, that means it's not blocked off all the way. And there's no exit for me to get off, so there's other routes I could take, like 41 to go around this, but there's no exit right now to get off, so I'm stuck in between exit and the accident. Give me a second here. How do you do this thing? Daddy Bella TV, how you doing, my brother? God bless you and the family. There we go. Don't forget to double tap on the screen, guys, and give me a thumbs up, please. Nick, you should come by, man. I hear you've been, I think you've been in Florida. It's just one state up. And the next time you're in Florida, I'm off on weekends. Let's link up, man. Daddy Bella, how you doing, brother? How's the family? I'm trying to see where's this backup starts. All right, I'm not gonna be on here for long. I don't do lives for long. Yeah, Nick, you can link up, man. It's one thing, you come up this side, Nick, you don't have to worry about a place or nothing to stay. You good. Long time we are rolling on Nick. Long time, man. Now they're playing with the CB. They're not saying nothing, but it's all right. I don't know why they have a CB in their truck. I don't know why they have a CB and not saying nothing. That's the reason why we have CB. There we go. That's much better. Yeah, I'm gonna be coming over soon, KK. I'm just giving an update on what's going on here. No, nobody linked me, Who's your cousin? Which one of your cousins? I should say. Because I remember I gave out the IG number. The IG link. And if they did link and they didn't tell them link back. Oh God. Woo! Traffic is piling up, man. No. Nobody indicated a link me. Chef Baker, what's going on, my brother? Down here on 75. Let me see where this is. Oh, I'm by the Georgia, Florida Parkway. I think this is Perry, Georgia. Stuck in traffic, bro. Hey, Chef Baker, type in where you're gonna be at today. Type in the chat where you're gonna be at today, please. Advertise, brother, advertise. This man has one of the best food trucks in Atlanta. Thank you, brother. I appreciate the love. Ah, the captain is here. The captain is here. What's going on, Craig? Um, uh, Chef Baker. Hold on a second. I think you could. All right, you could put your link in the chat, Chef Baker, or your information if you have it saved. I'm heading to Valdosta, Georgia to pick up a load to head to Mississippi. It's a Lowe's. I'm going to the Lowe's.
Man, I'm glad I'm not going south. There'd be one more asshole over there.
Oh man. I appreciate that, driver. I appreciate that. Yeah, going to Lowe's warehouse and picking up a load and go drop it at a store in Mississippi somewhere. Yeah, folks, you could catch Chef Baker's Place 2 on Facebook and IG. Like I said, he has the best food in town. His food truck, and everything is cooked fresh. Hey, Daddy Bella, KK, check out Daddy Bella. Daddy Bella, check out KK. Daddy Bella is a good supporter, very good supporter. I've been with Daddy Bella, about 5 years now. $5 years or more. He helps you to grow your channel. Team Happy is in the building, and thank you all Team Happy members for coming over. People, don't forget to double tap and give this video a like. Team Happy, they always here to support. I ran out of Gatorade. Oh boy, here's what it is. I have another hour and a half before I reach where I'm going. Well, it's gonna be more than an hour and a half with this traffic. You know we gotta look out for each other, Chef Baker. Okay, what's
all them trucks in the left lane, I don't know how the hell they gonna get off on 300 over there and then get off again to the right both times. They gonna be in a mess.
Huh? So whatever it is between the exit, between the off ramp and the on ramp. So let's say get off and get on. That's the only thing I can see. I appreciate you coming by though, Chef Baker. I really do. This is how we do it, brother. All right, what's going on down here now? How far is the next exit? How far is the next exit? Is the southbound open or closed? Is it open or closed, drivers? Chef Baker, I didn't even know you had a YouTube channel, brother. definitely gonna check out your YouTube channel, man. You know what's the best thing to do to Chef Baker? Stream wherever your location is. Just go live on it on YouTube, man. Every day. Build your channel. Daddy Bella could help you build your channel too. Daddy Bella is the man. I think they're letting people off the highway. I'm not sure. Let me see. Tell you exactly. Yeah, I've been on this about an hour now. Stuck. Trying to see alternate route. I think I might get off at the next exit. Yeah, I might get off at the next exit and run 300 south. That's what I might do. How the lane is moving? Why am I not over there? Oh, I see why it's moving, because everybody's pushing over to this lane. I see. That's why my lane is not moving. Just about to go over there too. I'm thinking. Get off at the next one, run 300 south to about 1 mile. The left. Sorry. Trying to think of an escape route. Escape route from this traffic. Oh my God. This is crazy. Okay. I see the police lights down there. I definitely see the police lights. Should I let this guy in? Should I let him in? Ride this all the way down, driver. I'll let you in. Respect, my brother. Respect. See the space between me and the truck in front of me? Okay, the one on my left, he's holding off traffic. I'm leaving that space for him to come over. All right, driver. Anytime you're ready, you can come on over. All right. And we call this truck driving communication. Welcome, Team Happy. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, welcome. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out to all Team Happy members. Love always, always Team Happy. Blessings, blessings to you guys. You guys always show up. Don't forget to double tap your screen and give this video a thumbs up. A thumbs up. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Happy holidays to you too. All right. Thank you, KK. Love and respect always, sis. This is where it starts over here. I'm gonna let you guys see. I think they're pushing everybody off the highway. I think that's what they're doing. They're putting everybody off the highway. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see this accident. Yeah, they're putting everybody off. They closed down the highway. Yep, it's closed down. It's starting over here. Where you can see that flashing light. Excuse me. Thank you, driver. This is it. So whatever it is, it must be really bad for it to close down. Oh boy. Let me go to Highway 300. Yeah, whatever it is, must be real bad. Most of the time when this happens, there's a fatality. So they have to close the highway down to do their investigation. So when we out here driving, we have to drive for ourselves and the cars. The name of this town is Cardell. Swizzle, what's going on, my brother? Thanks for checking in, man. Blessings and respect. This is what I do, bro. This is what I do. All these police officers directing traffic. South. I'm on 300 now. Excuse me. Come on, people. What is going on here? Come on. Folks. Alright. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on here. Oh boy. Come on, driver. Come on over. Come on. Hey, now, yo, Swizzle, respect what you guys doing, man. Because when I'm out here on the road, you guys keep me insane when I, watch you guys and, keep me sane. Trust me, man. Like, these people on this road, boy, them drive crazy, man, I tell you. I'm in the U.S. I'm in Atlanta. Right now, I'm in Georgia right now. Gotta go to the bottom of Georgia, pick up a load, and head to Mississippi. Well, you guys make me miss Jamaica. Bad. Nah, I'm telling a lie. Love the outdoor thing in a Virgin. I have a feeling this was gonna be backed up because everybody had get off, push off everybody off the highway. Hey, let me get some water, please. Water. Forget it. Where's the water? Forget it. Okay, cool. Blessings. Sin, blessings, man. Blessings. When you drop your next video, Bridget? Just have to put your truck in a park as brakes, clutch, drive you crazy, man. It is what it is. People, this video is not gonna be long, but boy, I have a few phone calls to make, so I appreciate you guys coming. Thanks, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Yeah.